This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about collecting things. Do you collect things?
Yes, I enjoy collecting postcards from places I visit because they're small, affordable, and bring back great memories. Each postcard tells a story about my travels and helps me relive those special experiences.
Are there any things you have kept from your childhood?
I've kept a few toys and books from my childhood, like my favorite teddy bear and a storybook. These items hold sentimental value and remind me of carefree, joyful moments from my childhood.
Would you keep old things for a long time? Why?
Yes, I like keeping old things for a long time, especially if they have sentimental value. Items like family photographs or gifts hold memories and allow me to reflect on my life and relationships.
Where do you usually keep things you need?
I usually keep essential items in a drawer or organizer on my desk so they're within easy reach. Having a designated place for everything helps me stay organized and find what I need quickly.
Do you think collecting things is a popular hobby?
Yes, I think many people enjoy collecting items like coins, antiques, or trading cards. It's a way to express their interests, preserve history, and connect with others who share similar passions.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an area of science, for example, biology, robotics, and so on, that you are interested in and would like to learn more about. You should say which area it is, when and where you came to know this area, how you get information about this area, and explain why you are interested in this area.
One area of science I'm really interested in is robotics. It combines engineering and artificial intelligence to create machines that can perform tasks independently. I find that absolutely fascinating. Robots are used in so many areas today. For example, in healthcare, they assist with surgeries. They can even explore dangerous or unreachable places, like underwater or on other planets. The combination of technology and creativity in robotics is what draws me to it the most. I first got into robotics a few years ago when I visited a school science fair. One of the displays had a small robot that could move through a maze on its own. It used sensors to avoid obstacles and find its way, which was amazing to watch. I couldn't believe that something built by students could perform such complex actions. That moment made me curious about how robots are designed and how they work. To learn more about robotics, I use a mix of resources. I often watch videos on YouTube that explain different types of robots and how they're programmed. I also follow science websites and blogs that share updates about the latest developments. Occasionally, I attend workshops or tech exhibitions where I can see robots in action and even try controlling them myself. What I love most about robotics is its potential to solve real-world problems. Robots aren't just cool machines, they're improving lives, from delivering goods to helping in natural disasters. They're also opening up possibilities in fields like space exploration and agriculture. I'd love to study this field in depth someday.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of science. How important do you think science is in everyday life?
Science is incredibly important in our daily lives, affecting nearly everything we do. From the technology in our phones and computers to the medical treatments we rely on, science makes life more efficient, healthier, and safer. For example, GPS technology helps us navigate, while vaccines protect us from diseases.
Do you believe that science can solve all the world's problems? Why or why not?
While science can solve many problems, it cannot address all of them. Issues like poverty, inequality, and climate change need both scientific solutions and human understanding. While science helps find answers, people must work together and make ethical choices to create lasting change and progress.
Do you think science education should focus more on practical experiments or theoretical knowledge? Why?
Science education should have a balance of both practical experiments and theoretical knowledge. Practical experiments allow students to apply what they've learned in a hands-on way. This can definitely make the subject more interesting and memorable. At the same time, theoretical knowledge provides the essential foundation to understand scientific concepts deeply.
What role do you think science plays in improving health and medicine?
Science plays a vital role in advancing health and medicine. Through research and innovation, scientists develop new treatments, medicines, and technologies that save lives and improve the quality of healthcare. For example, breakthroughs like antibiotics and vaccines have dramatically increased life expectancy and reduced disease.
How has science and technology changed the way we communicate?
Science and technology have transformed communication by making it faster and more accessible. The internet, smartphones, and social media platforms enable instant communication across the globe. People can share information, collaborate, and stay connected, breaking down barriers that once made long-distance communication slow and difficult.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.